Hey everybody, I'm Justin Schlegel with RHP Real Estate and Team Schlegel. And I'm here to talk about our real estate market. So as we're wrapping up August and getting into September, summer is behind us, and that means that we have finished our summer lull. So typically what we see in the real estate market is once we get into the middle and end of July, it's hot. People want to go on vacation, they're trying to take a trip real quick before back to school. And so ultimately that's what happens. And so the real estate market isn't really the central focus for a lot of people. Then we have back to school. In the first couple of weeks, parents are trying to get used to the new schedules. And then, there's a whole other slew of obstacles just due to our current environment that goes with that. So we're now through August. We kind of have a sense for what's happening with school. The summer's behind us, and now many people are planning for the holidays. So what does that mean for real estate? Well, ultimately it means that we're usually kind of cruising along at this point through the rest of the year. So right now in our market, it is still very active. We have had an unbelievable first half of 2021, but we are seeing some transition. Okay, doesn't mean the market is falling off a cliff. We do not anticipate that prices are going to come backwards anytime soon, except for when a seller is unrealistic. What we have seen is some people have thought that we're still in March and we're not anymore. And so they're pricing the homes up here when the market's really here. And so once they realize they're not getting that activity right away, then they reduce their price quickly and they typically go under contract. So we are seeing a little bit less in terms of the number of offers, the number of showings, and we're seeing a little bit more in terms of selection for buyers. Now, every price point and different area of the valley is going to differ, so it's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but it is getting a little bit more easy, or at least navigatable. I don't even know if that's a word, but it's getting a little bit easier for buyers. So we expect that to continue through the rest of the year. I would say we're probably in a more normal, like 7% annual appreciation clip from here on out. We're seeing interest rates are still hovering in that 3% range, so fantastic there. That's something to definitely watch moving forward because they just can't stay there forever. So as they move up, that will impact affordability. Lumber prices, well, if you've been to Home Depot or Lowe's or any of the hardware stores lately, you've seen that plywood is back under 40 bucks a sheet, and 2x4s are usually under $4 a piece now. So that is definitely an improvement. And I know I certainly bought too much lumber at too high of prices, and I should have waited for some home projects. But you live and you learn. So I know you have a ton of options and choices when it comes to real estate. Phoenix is one of the hotbeds in this country for real estate business models and the iBuyers and investors and all these other things. So there's lots of noise going on around us. So you as a consumer may not know what to believe, who to listen to, etc. So we are here really to be a one-stop resource for you and your real estate needs. We're always going to advocate for our clients, whether it's something you want to hear or not. It's what we feel is accurate, and we'll tell you how we came up with that analysis. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd be glad to assist you on your real estate journey. If you're thinking about a move, it's never too early to have a conversation, see where the market's at. Information is below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.